Hey guys, it's Classic Hero. Welcome back to the channel.
Hey.
I'm doing a little
Mrs. Hero
video.
checking in.
So I'm doing an unboxing today. I got some Parallettes. Well, I'm using for Parallettes, but they're like push-up bars. And I'll show you what that looks like. All right, this is it. And we'll see if I can get a good workout in this. Well, using this. Guys, to give you a little exercise guide. So I'll definitely be trying out these exercises for this video. I'll try all of them.
I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool. Been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours.
Alright guys, thank y'all for staying tuned to the end of this video. If you like more videos like this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching.